After defining our loads and load combinations, we are now ready to perform analysis and do the design for our structure. But before that, let us make sure that there are no more errors in our model. So to do that, we use some of the tools here to check if our elements and members are well connected and there are no duplicate or collinear members. So to do that, go to Tools, then first check Multiple Structures. Structure 1, so we only have one structure, which is good. So that is okay. Next is check for duplicate nodes. There are no duplicate nodes. Then check for duplicate members. There are no duplicate members. Then check for zero length members. There are no zero length members. Then lastly, check for overlapping collinear members. So our model now is good. So let's now do the perform analysis. Go to Analysis Print. Then click Add Perform Analysis so that it will be added here in your list of commands. So run the analysis. Okay, we have here one error. So let's look for the error here. So the error is member weight. Member weight. So I think this error pertains to the arrangement of the inputting of the seismic loads. So the floor load should be inputted last. So you can edit that one by using this STAAD editor. So click that one and look for your seismic definition. So this one is your seismic definition. And then the floor weight should be added last, right after the member weight. So all we can do is just select the member weight, then Control X to cut it, and then place it right after the definition of your UBC earthquake load. Let me just do that one. So member weight should be before the floor weight. Then click yes. So let's now see if there are still errors. So analyze. Alright, so there are no more errors, but there are two warnings. So let us try to troubleshoot that warning. So here, one-way warning about one-way or two-way weights. So that is okay. Then another warning, if this is UBC IBC analysis, each UBC case should be followed by perform analysis and change. So let's do that. Now after every UBC analysis, let us have the command perform analysis then change. So click the STAAD editor, then look for the UBC analysis. So we have here UBC load X. After that, we place the command perform analysis, then change. Then after also the load Z for the UBC analysis, we have perform analysis, then change. Let's try to see if that works. Run analysis. So we only have one warning, which is warning on the one-way slab, and that is okay. Alright, so we are done with the performing of the analysis. By the way, you can already see the results here. If you go to post processing, you can have your shear and moment diagrams. You can click beam and then click the moment at Z. You can see the moment diagrams here. You can press Control to resize the scale of your diagram. I'm pressing the Control and scrolling the middle mouse button. You can also see the shear. If you go FY, you can see the shear diagram of your members. And you can also choose the load combinations or loads so that you can see the shear diagram for each load or load combination. Alright, then you can also enable the animation. Click animate. Then let's say to animate the section displacement. Then set the scale, maybe displacement at, let's say, 50. Then apply. And you will see that the structure is moving depending on the load combination that you chose. To emphasize more, maybe you can also change the scale. Let's say I will change the scale to 25. And you can see clearly what parts of the building are behaving erratically. We have earthquake in X, earthquake in Z, dead load. We have live load, dead load plus live load. Then all the load combinations. Alright, so that is how to do the perform analysis.